Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today we'll be unboxing a newly designed standalone access control device that supports various unlocking modes, controller and reader modes, and configuration methods. Introducing the Dahua Fingerprint Standalone Access Control. Here's the product box with the model number here. Its dimensions are 250 millimeters by 144 millimeters by 67 millimeters and weighs 0.53 kilograms. Let's unbox, shall we? Here's what it looks like when you open it. As you can see, the device itself comes in a protective plastic wrap. Underneath that, you'll see a plastic bag with the accessories. Inside the bag, there are 2 packs of screws, a QR code, a user guide, the legal information booklet, and a mounting bracket. Let's take a closer look at the device. Here we have the brand new ASI2212H Fingerprint Standalone controller. It comes in a waterproof polycarbonate and ABS casing. It has a 2.4-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 240 by 320 and is equipped with a capacitive fingerprint scanner. The dimensions of this device are 183 millimeters by 80 millimeters by 25.5 millimeters with a net weight of 264 grams, giving it a lightweight and sleek design. Let's look at some highlights of this device. The Fingerprint Standalone controller uses a capacitive fingerprint scanner, which ensures a better anti-spoofing performance and has a recognition speed of 1 second or less. It is also equipped with a passcode touchpad and card reader for unlocking convenience. The Fingerprint Standalone controller offers 2 operating modes, controller mode and reader mode. The reader mode provides direct data transmission with the controller, so no additional network wiring is required. It also supports TCP, IP, and Wi-Fi communication, so configuration can be done without a network cable for convenient management and low cost. This device also supports the optional DEE1010B security expansion module. Should the standalone be damaged, the module can prevent doors from opening without power, thus improving door control security. Also, you can use the DMSS app for mobile management to keep track of real-time events and open doors remotely. These features are also compatible with the ASI2201H, an alternative model if fingerprint recognition is not required. Overall, these devices provide versatility with multiple options for unlocking, configuration, and usage. And with the optional security module, you can enhance the effectiveness of the door security, making them a great product for schools and offices. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.